Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRND. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Did this one last week after this day here, and the following day just absolutely went wild all the way up there, and then profit takers hit it and pounded it all the way down here. And I thought today, I'll just put it this way, I did not think it would be such a nice green candle today, so congratulations to all those that accumulated on this dip here. Very nice and very strong move after today, closed at a new high and didn't put in a new high, but at least closed at a new high, so that's always a bullish thing too. So I just want to quickly get things updated and map out some more support levels as it's become a little easier to see some now that we have some more data on the chart. So real quick, resistance wise, very straightforward. Two levels that stick out. First one being today's high at 0.027. That's where obviously the profit takers decided to step in. I'll leave that line skinny red because with any sort of continued push, I don't see this putting up much of a fight. But then the big one, of course, is going to be up here from Friday, and that was at 0.0359, 0.036, whatever you want to call it. Make this one a little thicker because I do think it will put up a much more of a fight than what this one will be. But if anything, BRND has shown that it can really get moving fast. So if there is another big volume surge, I'm not even sure this one will put up much of a fight. But these are the two levels of support. Now, in terms of resistances, what I want to do is just talk about two support zones, as we'll call them. The first one being right here, and this support zone is between 0.018 and 0.016. These are just taken from simply previous closes and then highs. And the reason I'm doing a zone is you could argue either way, both of these as supports, and they are both supports, so I just think it'd be easier to create that support zone. And then the other area of support, the other support zone is going to be right here, again just using previous lows, and this is actually from today's low, so from 0.013 to 0.0102 is going to be another area of support, and I'll just leave this line blue so you can see the two separate areas. But these are just going to be support zones, and then at the end of the day, as long as this purple line here holds, the chart will remain bullish from the overall perspective. Obviously, if you're a day trader, that doesn't really pertain to you. And the reason for that being, I can't remember if I made this point or not in the other one, but if the price were to come all the way down there, find support, and then head back up, when you looked at the lows, you could still say that this set of lows is higher than this set. So then when you would go to draw your trend line, you would still be able to draw that uptrend line, and that's the name of the game, higher lows, because that's what allows you to stay in those uptrends. So must hold, do or die is that purple line here, but considering we're way up here, I'm not saying this will get tested, but just from the overall viewpoint, that is definitely the overall arching key level of support. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll receive an ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment in your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was BRND. Thanks for listening.